In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for the SHEIN affiliate program. If you want to start promoting SHEIN products and earn commissions through your content, this process is fairly straightforward. The key is to follow each part carefully and make sure the information you submit is accurate and professional. To begin, visit SHEIN's official website. Once you're there, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and look through the footer section. You should find a link labeled Affiliate Program. Click that to access the affiliate signup area. If you already know where to go, you can also head directly to SHEIN's affiliate portal. Either option takes you to the place where the application process begins. When you arrive, take a moment to look around so you understand how the portal is organized before moving forward. Next, you'll need to choose which network you want to apply through. SHEIN may offer its own in-house affiliate platform, and in some cases, you may also see partner networks such as CJ Affiliate or Share a Sale. This choice matters because it determines where you'll manage your affiliate account and track performance later on. If you already have an account with one of these partner networks, applying through that option may feel more convenient. If not, the in-house platform may be the simpler route. Just select the option that best matches the way you plan to manage your affiliate activity. After choosing the network, move on to the application form. This is where you'll fill out your basic contact information and provide details about your platform. Depending on the application, this may include your website, social media profiles, blog, YouTube channel, or another content platform where you plan to share affiliate links. Make sure everything you enter is current and presented clearly. If your content has a specific niche, such as fashion, beauty, lifestyle, or deals, it helps to ensure your listed platforms reflect that clearly and professionally. As you complete the form, double check for typos, broken links, or incomplete fields. Even small errors can slow down the review process. It's also a good idea to make sure your website or social pages are active and publicly viewable, since that can help support your application. Once everything is filled out, review your details one more time before submitting. Taking an extra minute here can save time later and improve your chances of a smooth approval process. That's how to apply for the SHEIN affiliate program.